Hi peeps, welcome back. I thought we'd take a look at this mini excavator today. It should have been in the last video, but I didn't think it was right to put it in that one. So basically this is an Atlas model. It's a hybrid model. It's 3 different models there put together to make it look like that. So this is the Atlas 176 scale excavator. It's a Volvo EC1400. It was in the Stobart range. I wasn't very impressed with the model as I saw it, but what I did see was the potential to turn that into a really nice little mini digger. So I ordered it and it turned up, and then straight away started chopping it up. The tracks on this model are off a Oxford 176 scale excavator. These are the plastic tracks. I think they look loads better. And I've added the handrail there on the front of the cab. That's made out of 0.4 roll brass rod. I put an aerial there on the top and an orange beacon as well. The excavator arm, I took the original one off, and it was a perfect size from a 187 scale Volvo as well excavator. So I took the arm off, butchered the other model, and put it all back together again, and this is the end result. This was the arm that came off the model. It's got the piston there, the ram at the top. They made a really nice job of that. The rest of it's just on pivot points, so for it to go up and down it just pivots there, and this bucket's just flip flop. It looks way too big for the arm as well. So that's fit for the bin. I'll probably take this ram off the top. That's nice, nicely modelled. That is. Cut that off for a future project. That's the poor Motor Art 187 scale excavator that had the chop. That's destined for the bin now. There's a close-up of the model. It just wants a bit of weathering doing on it now at some point. It's a nice little addition to this KWA wagon as well. That's 2 nice bits of plant now we've got for this wagon. Let's take a look at something else. This is a model we've covered in previous videos, but I've just thought I'll put it on here for anybody who's new to the channel and hasn't seen them previous videos. This is the Atlas 176 scale loading shovel. It's a Daewoo Mega 300. I've changed this quite a bit from what the original model was. I'll put a photograph of that up for you now, and I've also done some work on another one as well. So this is the other model I've done. I've added an aerial to the top there, orange beacon I've put on the top, added a driver in there, and the hydraulic pipes coming off the ram at the front. And I've changed the wheel sets out on it as well. These wheel sets are off a Motor Art 187 scale Volvo dump truck. Slightly different to the other wheel sets. I think that suits the model better. Just weathered that front bucket up a little bit, and that's as much as I'm going to do to this. This is ready to roll. Another nice little model I picked up quite some time ago. It's the Oxford 176 scale JCB 3CX. Done a bit of work on this model as well. Just painted that ram halfway up the engine there in red. Painted up the pivot points in yellow. Weathered the model up. I painted the forks black. And then the back arm I've done quite a bit of work on as well. Just added the hydraulic hoses here to the rams on both sides, and then added the hammerjack pipes down the side as well. It's a lovely model this is. Done it on both sides. You see there how I've done the pipes. This arm slides across back and forth as well, and this lifts up and down as well. Your bucket here is quite stiff as well. The rams are. Lovely model. He forks flip forward as well on it. I got it yesterday. I felt like running me Batman 350 unit. There's no third rail or overheads here, But that's what I felt like doing yesterday. It's only been run a few times. I think that's the third time it's ever been run yesterday. So it took me ages to dig it out. I dug it out, I brought it in here and put it all together, and then thought I better have a look at setting the decoder up a bit better so it's a bit smoother on its takeoff and coming to a halt. So spent a bit of time doing that yesterday and running it backwards and forwards on the layout. I managed to catch it in some different areas on the layout, so I've put your running session together. I've taken the sound now out of the Scotch Rail 68 and I've put it into a DRS loco. So I'll put your little running session together. I'd like to thank everyone who's rated, everyone who's commented, and everybody who's subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching.